Hello everyone, welcome to Wondershare Filmora tutorials. In this video we are going to see that how can we add a freeze frame in Wondershare Filmora using the standard way or the way that is actually supported by Filmora. In the previous video we saw it how we can do using snapshots, but in this video we are going to see how to use the add freeze frame feature that is available in Wondershare Filmora. So first of all, what you need to do is export your video into Wondershare Filmora and get it on the tracks, the video tracks. Make sure it is in the second or a lower video track so that you can actually add a freeze frame. That is the requirement that we need. In case you have added it on the topmost track, then also you can just add another video track above, and that's where your freeze frame would be added. Then you need to select a frame that you need to freeze. So this is the frame that I selected that I need to freeze. For the standard way of doing things is you just right click, go to this option that says add freeze frame. Its shortcut is also provided, Alt F. Just click on that. Now what happens is, for a specific duration of time, this frame is frozen, and then the video is continuing normally at 1x speed. This frame is frozen, and then again the video continues at a normal speed. Now if we just play the video by dragging it a little bit backwards, then this is what you see. For this much amount of time the frame is frozen. Then what happens? The video again starts to play normally. Now there are two things that you might notice over here. The first thing is that the audio is not playing during that portion of the video when the frame is frozen. And the second thing, if I just drag it over here, so what happens is here the frame is frozen and then the video continues from that frame onwards for the standard view. Okay. But in the snapshot view, what we saw default is we were adding a snapshot on top of the video. So that was making sure that the video was playing in the background as well. And that is why the video was continuing not from that particular point, but after a particular point. So this is what we will be fixing also. So for now, let's see how can we change the duration of this freeze frame. If you just click on this freeze frame, it says duration. Just click on that duration thing. Okay, so as you can see that our software got stopped. This is one of the most recurring problems with the freeze frame option of Wondershare Filmora that occurs. That's why we are looking at the workaround as well, because that does not causes any such kind of issues. So in order to change the duration of the freeze frame, basically you can just go to the duration option and change the duration from there. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.